Are you struggling with poor sleep? You might be surprised to know that the foods you eat before bedtime could be the reason. In this video, I'll share the top foods you should avoid before sleep if you want to rest better and wake up fresh. Not just that, I've included 15 powerful tips for better sleep. The first 10 are about foods you should avoid or manage, and the last 5 are about your sleep environment, which are equally important. 1. Spicy foods. Spicy foods like hot sauce, chili, and spicy snacks. They can cause acid reflux and increase your body temperature, making it harder to fall asleep. If you crave spice, enjoy it at lunch instead of dinner. 2. Caffeine and chocolate. Next is caffeine, not just coffee, but also tea, energy drinks, and even chocolate. Caffeine stays in your system for hours, keeping your brain active when it should be relaxing. Avoid caffeine at least 6 hours before bedtime. 3. Fatty or fried foods. Another group to avoid is fatty or fried foods like burgers, fries, or pizza. They are hard to digest and can cause bloating or stomach discomfort, which may disturb your sleep cycle. 4. Sugary foods and desserts. Also, try to skip sugary foods like cakes, ice cream, and candy before bed. Sugar gives you a sudden energy boost and may cause restlessness at night. 5. Alcohol. Many people think alcohol helps them relax, but the truth is, alcohol disrupts REM sleep, the deepest stage of rest. You may fall asleep faster, but you'll wake up feeling tired. 6. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruit are acidic and can trigger acid reflux at night. 7. Tomato-based foods. Pasta with tomato sauce or ketchup can also cause heartburn, disturbing your sleep. 8. Processed meats. Bacon, sausages, and pepperoni are high in fat and salt, making your stomach work overtime. 9. Big heavy meals. Eating a large dinner close to bedtime keeps your digestive system busy and delays good sleep. 10. Too much water. Before bed, drinking too much water at once can cause frequent bathroom trips at night. 11. Late-night screen exposure. Blue light. Mobile phones, tablets, and laptops emit blue light that tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. This blocks melatonin production, the hormone responsible for sleep. Many people in the USA scroll through TikTok or Netflix late at night. Even if they go to bed, their mind stays overstimulated, making it difficult to fall asleep. This habit also delays deep sleep, so even if they sleep for 7-8 hours, the quality of rest is poor. 12. Irregular sleep schedule. In the USA, busy work hours, late-night shifts, and weekend parties often lead to irregular sleeping patterns. Going to bed at 10 p.m. one day and 2 a.m. the next confuses the body's circadian rhythm. The brain doesn't know when to release melatonin, and as a result, people struggle with insomnia, waking up tired or needing extra coffee in the morning. 13. Physical inactivity during the day. Many Americans work at desks all day without much movement. When the body doesn't get physical activity, it doesn't build enough tiredness to need deep rest. This lack of exercise also causes restlessness at night, leading to shallow sleep. On the other hand, too much exercise very late at night can also overstimulate the body, delaying sleep. 14. Napping late in the day. While short power naps in the afternoon can be refreshing, long naps in the evening or close to bedtime reduce the body's sleep pressure. For example, if someone naps at 7 p.m. after work, their body won't feel sleepy at 10 or 11 p.m. This leads to delayed sleep and restlessness late into the night. 15. Bedroom environment. Temperature, noise, and lighting in the bedroom directly affect sleep. In the USA, many people keep their bedrooms too warm, which prevents the body from cooling down naturally. Studies show that a cooler environment helps trigger sleep. Similarly, Bright street lights, noise from traffic, or even indoor gadgets with LED lights can disturb the body's natural rhythm, making the brain stay alert. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.